Level up your productivity and your playlists by seamlessly merging Spotify with Notion. Ever wished you could keep your favorite music and your task management in one place? Today, we're diving into how to integrate Spotify with Notion to create an incredibly powerful and organized system. First, let's head over to Notion. You'll want to create a new page or select an existing one where you want to add your Spotify magic. Think of this as your music hub within your workspace. Now, this is where the magic happens in your Notion page. Type a / followed by the word embed. You'll see an embed block appear. Click on that. Next, you need to grab the link to your Spotify playlist. Open up your Spotify app. Find the playlist you love. Click the 3 dots next to it. Select share and then copy playlist link. Back in Notion, paste that Spotify link into the embed block field. Then click embed link. Voila! Your Spotify playlist is now beautifully embedded right into your Notion page. You can then adjust the size of the embedded player to perfectly fit your page layout. This is fantastic for creating dedicated music dashboards for different moods or projects. But it gets even better. You can link specific songs to specific tasks. Imagine working on a creative project and having the perfect soundtrack directly linked to that task. Simply create a new property in your Notion database, perhaps call it music, and paste your individual song links from Spotify into it. Now, when you click on that link, it'll open directly in your Spotify app, playing that exact song, ready to fuel your focus. This is a game changer for productivity, keeping your music and your workflow perfectly synchronized. So there you have it. Why Euro, a simple yet powerful way to integrate Spotify with Notion. Start curating your perfect work playlists and linking them to your tasks for an enhanced, organized, and more enjoyable productivity experience. Happy embedding!